Hello dear Capricorn, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week May monthly reading. So yes, this is going to cover your second week's career, your love life and everything in between. Your cards are already out. If you're looking for a monthly reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. So click on the video section and find your signs reading. So if you are a Sun, Moon, Rising Capricorn, this reading is for you. Let's begin. Let's start with your career. You've got the 6 of Stars and the 9 of Suns. I do see that some sort of good news, proposal, offer is coming your way. Probably you have applied for a loan and that got approved. You've applied for a job, you got the job, right? If you're waiting for a business deal to crack, probably you will hear a good news, investment from the investors. So some sort of good news is coming your way. But I also see that you are facing a lot of competition. You're facing people who actually don't mean anything in your life. That means you have to compete with sheeps and you are a lion, right? So the cards are telling you do not stoop down to their level. So if somebody is trying to bring you down, somebody is trying to make you angry, somebody is trying to fight for your position, your place, your business, do not get into a fight with them. Try to take a break, try to reassess the situation, try to see that do I really need to engage with these people. If not, then please don't, because I do see that you will only be wasting your time. It is a time to take a break. It is a time not to indulge in fights, because that can backfire and affect your reputation as well. So try and not stoop low, try and not engage in any sort of fight. You're going to come out as a winner any which way, right? Good news is coming. Good proposals, invitations, offers are coming, business deals are cracking. So good, it could also be that some sort of foreign related travel news is coming, or you are traveling, or you are hearing, or money is coming from another city, state, country. I do see foreign connection here. I also see you could be hearing a news which is maybe from away from a city where you live in, right? May probably your job is in a different city, probably you get posted in a different city. If so, please do comment and let me know. Let's see what is happening in your personal life right now. You've got the 9 of moons and the star card. In your personal life, you've got excellent cards. You've got the star card, which means the card of wish fulfillment, right? So your dreams, your wishes are going to get fulfilled in the second week of May, no matter what you dream of. If you are single, you want to be in a relationship, that's going to happen. If you're in a relationship, you want to get married, that's going to happen. If you're married, you want to have kids, that's also very much possible. So you could be getting roka or engaged or married in the second week. If not, you are getting what you want, right? So whatever you have wished for, whatever you're wishing for is going to come your way. Probably it can also mean reconciliation for some of you. If you're hoping for a reconciliation to happen, that's also very much possible. I also see that you are getting some sort of name fame here in the second week. It could be that people are talking about you. It could be that you are like a power couple. You show couple goals to people. Probably you have gone through ups and downs, people look up to you, or because you are a bride or a groom and that's why you're getting that kind of attention, or a boyfriend or a girlfriend now officially, right? So you're making some sort of news official, or it's coming to the limelight because everybody is focusing on you. So you are going to celebrate something. People are going to give you a lot of importance this week, and definitely get ready for wishes coming true, dreams coming true, luck being by your side. So if you want to take that risk, bring that person back in your life, start that new relationship, a new life, it is very much possible. Overall, if I talk about your week, it's going to be beautiful, Capricorns. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening in your life. I would love to read it and like and try to reply to all of you. Yes, I'm going to try and do that from now onwards. So please do comment and let me know. Also, if you would like to claim the positive energies of this reading, do comment. I claim this energy so that this reading positive energy reaches you faster. Last but not the least, I also do personal readings. I also do rituals and counseling sessions as well. So if you would like to know the prices or book any sort of reading, you can email me. Very cheap, very effective rituals and very cheap readings and counseling sessions as well. I have audio video calls options available for half an hour and 1 hour as well if you are interested. Otherwise, I do have typed reading formats and audio recording reading formats as well, which are the cheapest options available. So contact me on asasharma842 at gmail.com. That's my email ID. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details all about my services, the discount is, the rituals, when to do, what not to do, what new service has been launched, what are the prices, everything is there on my stories all the time. So I post there on a daily basis. Here I'll only meet you monthly or weekly. So please also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and share this video with everyone you know need help, need readings, need counseling sessions, need somebody to guide them, give them remedies, then that is the perfect place for them. Okay. So I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.